Big up Crosses TV.
You have a visitor, Crosses TV, go look for you.
The people that you come tell the people them, but if them and Stacey a friend a gunshot. What kind of blood clot gunshot? You a bad man? You're a bad man? And then you come text boy you're a working class man. You start the problem and then you want to come say you're a working class man. Leo, everybody knows say me sell clothes. So what you mean by me for come tell the people them? You think say the people them don't know say me sell clothes? Everybody knows say me sell clothes, Leo. When me ready me I sell on Instagram too. Me and a pussy me I sell, Leo. Me not sell pussy and me not suck cocky. So nobody now go see me and nobody now go ever text your phone and tell say Stacey sell them some pussy or Stacey suck them cocky. Or no girl can blood clot tell say Stacey suck them pussy. Leo, me sell clothes, me not sell pussy. Me not sell mouth, me not sell blood clot tongue, nor teeth. What you mean by for come explain to people? Explain to who? For explain to. Behave yourself, yeah, my youth. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Can you really get me out of my character right now? Yeah, you really get me out of my character. You're going to tell the woman, the people in business place, going to run up your blood clot mouth. You know you're not even about that life. Yeah, man, you're out of order. You're fucking out of order. You're not even about that life. You're not about that life. You're gonna the people them store, go and check the people them. I'm sorry, the woman man never did if you cut in your blood clot piece and send it home with a cellular we can blood clot lock. Call people like when people just cut on the blood clot face and make on the mouth stitch one side and can't home can love blood clot chat. That me know. I can't wait for you to see me. I can't wait for you to see me. I want to know which spot at the next spot you are there and where you are going the next spot. Because you say you can't wait for you to see me. I can't wait for you to see me too. Me can't wait for you to see me too. Me can't wait for you to see me too. Oh. And you're not going nowhere. So I don't know which spot you're going to see me. I can't wait for you to see me too. Out of order and bright. I eat my salad, yeah. Because you know at night time I can't really eat every food because I don't want my belly get big, you know. So I'm going to eat my salad, yeah. And I come back tomorrow again with a picture. And I come back again with a picture. I not stop put up your picture. Yeah, me not stop put up your picture. Your picture I stay upon my wall. Your picture I gonna be my wall now. Your picture I gonna be my wall. Till when I feel when time you see me and do what you have to do, then your picture come down. But your picture I gonna stay upon my wall. Yeah. Wagwa Alicia. You know see who draw me out suck pussy Leo. Him suck wood and him suck pussy. See me a him name so Leo. Him come from over Brooklyn. That's your Carlin. You're not gonna know him because he's a nobody. Nobody don't know him. He's a zero. Nobody don't know him. You know some people will want get recognition at him this. No shot now fire over them blood clot head because nobody don't know them. It's like you have to go now with ask who name Stacey. Everybody know who name Stacey and that him want be one boss boy, but him can't boss. Because their mother never used to eat no good food, so them couldn't born as a star. Their mother never eat no good food, so them couldn't born as a star. Eh. Them couldn't born as a star. Yeah. So I look at boss and I start boss people from blood clot 2018. I start boss people long time from 2018. I start boss people, so I don't know where I come with now. I don't know where I come now for I start boss people. Yeah. I not boss the body again. But you see him now, he must stay upon the wall. He must stay upon the wall. He buy some clothes from me. I left the bag down America. 3 blood clot weeks now, Alicia. 3 weeks the bag upon blood clot America. Every day I tell me, he might go for the bag, The suck pussy boy finally go down at the people them shop now for the bag. I will come ask the woman if the woman and me a friend. Cause if the woman and me a friend, a gunshot she go get like him a blood clot bad man. And him know him a pussy in a tear jars. Pussy with a drop out of drawers. Him is a pussy with a capital P. Him is that nothing about no badness. Then I come text my phone now. Him is a working class man. Then if you go down at the woman shop, I tell the woman about badness. With the blood clot, you come text me now. I come tell me say you're a working class man. If I go suck your mother. If you'd like me to go over to the personal assistant position now. All you need to do is pick up your blood clot bag with your clothes them and leave the people them blood clot premises. If you have a problem, the way you my chat to you. All you have to do is call my phone and say, Stacey, where, and run your mouth. Let me get for this up your blood clot on your phone. Yeah. You have to tell the woman, boy, oh, badness and this and that. Like this look a mass blood clot cut. Me say, me sorry, me never in there for spitting in blood clot face. You know? Me say, me sorry, me never in there because if me the in them, kuno. Me not ask Christ, him kuno come in there, come run up in blood clot mouth, so. Me I tell you, no, cause right now the whole of you would happy. The whole of you have a mug shot, a swing blood clot right now. Me I tell you, no. Cause straight now him face, me that go speak, man. I make me and him go up right, cause got blood clots long, so they can get a mug shot for spin one. And say, yeah, man, sure, go home again. Cause remember one time you get locked up on the glad. I don't want me to go home, and that's what that whole of that for do right now in the night. If me ever in the shop, I spit in that blood clot face. And I use my scissors and run in and blood clot neck time I go like him a bad man and him is no bad man.
They don't have a record of Hazel's prescription. Do you think there's a chance she used a different
For no reason. All him have to do, Alicia, is take him bag and go about him business. That's all him have to do. Take him bag and go on where I go. You can tell the woman about bad man and gunshot and this. Look pan this look a mass blood clot cut here. Look pan him. Look pan this mascot, you know. I can't tell people about him a bad man. That's why I don't really want nobody recommend nobody to me. I don't want nobody tell nobody. Say, oh, ask that girl if you don't know me and know what me do. I don't want nobody send nobody blood clot to me. Because this big flyer now. I don't remember who blood clot send him come for me, you know. I don't, because if I remember who send him come for me, I have to call the person at night. Because the way how I feel right now, I have to call, I don't remember who send him to me. I have to call a person at the night. Them send this big blood clot bug ya pan me now. This big water bug ya pan me now. After me I try my best to stop cuss. I try my best to stop cussing. I try now. I think me not try no people. And I tell them the truth. I'm trying. I pray feet you know. I pray now. I pray now. This big flyer now, I go pick up your bag at the woman shop and I go come tell the woman about if she and Stacey a friend, a gunshot like you're a bad man. I just not a bad man. This is what hurt my nerves. Because me know you is a pussy. The streets know you is a pussy. The streets know you is a pussy. Me know you is a pussy. You go come tell the woman about gunshot now like you're a bad man.
I already told you I'm not stealing from my family or from anyone.
If you want to do this the hard way.
I will call my phone. Oh. This big flyer. Him buy the things them from me. 3 weeks now, I left the bag down at the girl shop. Him pick up the bag from down at the shop. Because them want address for come pick up things. I mean, I give them my address. Yes. 3 weeks now the bag down at the girl shop. Every time I ask him, I say, you not go for the bag. Yeah, me I go for the bag. I come and live at Jersey. Me not ask you where your blood clot live. Because you tell me say you live at Jersey. Like say, at Jersey alone have house. And the whole house me say at Jersey will lean. I look at them at drop down. I look like giddy house. One of the house at Jersey will not look good. I mean, know him live down in the apartment complex them over Jersey. If at Jersey him live. Which me know say them say at Brooklyn him live. Which me not care where him want live. Every minute I ask me if him not come for the bag. At Jersey me live in this time. I don't care where you want live. No, him call. Him say I come for the bag for Monday. Him not go for the bag Monday. If Saturday him say I go for the bag. Saturday will pass now. Him not come Saturday. Monday come. Him say I go for the bag Monday. Him not go for the bag Monday. Him call a while ago. Him go for the bag now. Him go to the shop and ask the woman. All him have to do is go into the shop, collect him bag and go on about him business and ask the woman. Oh, yeah, Stacey a friend. And the woman said to him, must say yeah. Oh, if you and Stacey a friend, you know, a gunshot. You know, bad man, Virgin. I say, I'm sorry, I never in there for spitting him. If she and Stacey a friend, a gunshot. Like him a bad man. I don't know what it mean. I don't know what it mean. I am not even about that life. And him don't even come outside. Him cannot come outside. Everybody, we outside, like Tory Lane, we outside. Even though Tory Lane is inside right now. And him cannot come outside because Juggies make him cannot come outside.
Call your doctor about sudden mood changes, behaviors, or suicidal thoughts. Antidepressants may increase these.
Everybody is outside and him is not outside. Him cannot be outside because Juggies. Yeah.
Which may be life-threatening or permanent.
Juggies make him can't come outside. Juggies make him cannot come on the road. Juggies make him have to come off of the road. Him can't come outside. I don't see him all long. To what I time I think him dead. My friend, I see him text me on Instagram. I say him want some clothes for him son. Me think the man dead because the way all Juggies make him have to come off of the road. Me think the man blood clot dead. So I say to him, say, me think he dead. And him bust out a laugh and say, no man, I true me get a job now and me at work. I think the man did dead.
So you can build on your
If me the like problem now, me call Juggies phone and tell Juggies say him tell me say, oh Juggies borrowing money for keep dance and I pay money Juggies borrow and keep dance and him chat Juggies on the phone. So poor me go find get Juggies number now from somebody now and tell Juggies all of the things that we him talk about him now. Make him worse I can't come outside. And tell me oh Chaddy a pussy. And who a pussy and who want him to buy liquor, who want to drink out him liquor when him come out at night and him chat the boy them. And I could have called the boy them now and tell the boy them everything him say about them. I mean I tell the boy them him say about them because you know say I eat it and I don't want the boy them beat him up. But I can't remember who give him my number. I can't remember who give this big water bug my number for buy things from me because I don't know why them even give him my number. Because him couldn't have my number. If me never stand up strong, him that one chat Taya with me. I treat him know say Taya, my friend, I know me go tell back Taya, him no bother mention Taya name. More than the palm for be careful. Me say be careful of what? Him a mama man, him love chat people. May I pray? Listen to me now. You know me I pray. You know me pray. I'm pray and this big flyer now come for me now. When I know one is another, I don't know why the people in Brooklyn don't leave me alone. I'm going to live in Brooklyn. I moved from Brooklyn from 2015. And I don't know why the people in Brooklyn have a fly for me. I'm not dead. But if I go Brooklyn like that, if I go Brooklyn and right at the restaurant, I go and turn back. I'm going to stop over tire yard. I will keep it moving. I don't go no further. I be have to like you if you come to Brooklyn at your party. No, me have to address him. Can I go tell the girl about gunshot? What you mean by about gunshot? You a bad man? You know how long him disappear what day, yeah? You know how long him disappear? Lord, listen me, I beg your Father God, just take the case and just give me the pillow so I can lay down in the Father God. Because you see, you know in the Father God. You know and you know who me is in the Father God. I say if me and him they buck up today, yeah? You know where we are going in the Father God, because you know I would have spit in him face in the Father God.
He was my husband. I love him.
That's what I have to know. Of course, the suck pussy boy get him bag. Him not go to shop go pick up him bag from the blood clot woman and not come tell the woman but if me and her friend a gunshot. The suck boy not get him bag. Him get him blood clot bag. So if you get your bag, where you going to the shop in an argument with the woman for? If you have a problem, you not call my phone and say what you said to me. Because true, you live at Jersey, him live at Jersey, you know, I mean live under the blood clot gully. Me and him not have the same timing. You understand? Because remember, me have to go underneath the blood clot gully. So I left the bag on the top of the blood clot street. Because remember, me live in the gully. So I left the bag on top of the street. For him get the bag. And you get your bag from the woman. 3 weeks the bag sit down and wait for him to come pick it up. 3 weeks the bag sit down and wait for the so good boy to come pick it up. And him finally pick up him bag now. You know take your bag and go on. You come tell the woman but if she and Stacey her friend a gunshot like you a blood clot bad man. Me say me sorry me never see him for spitting in blood clot face. You know? I say me sorry me never see him for spitting in blood clot face. I make him go call anybody where him want call and any side where him say him depend on that side them depend. Anybody where him want go find blood clot go for. You know? You're fucking bright and feisty.